What's up, YouTube? It's Country Boy. I'm fishing. Welcome to the channel. Today is raining out here today, so I decided to work on my boat a little bit. I'm doing a little upgrade. I purchased the 8610 for my live scope, so I'm gonna move my 106 to the head of the console. I sold my 73 SV, so that's what I'm gonna be doing, and plus I'm gonna be putting some lights on my boat. Let me get up here real quick. I just put my bracket on here for my 106. I got it mounted pretty good. Now I'm gonna run my cables. I just took my my hot wire loose. There you go back here. I got my floor up. I'm gonna run some wires to it. It's the power box. It's the power the unit up right here. I'm gonna run that, and then I just ran my new transducer. So that's what I'm doing right now. And I bought me some lights to go up under the lip of my boat. I'll put these on here. Just something to do. My unit ought to be here tomorrow. And that's gonna be another video, probably added to this one, because I decided I'm gonna run just the 2 batteries for my spotlight, and then I got another battery coming for the black box and the live scope. And if I knew it was better to run, it's better to run your live scope separate from the trolling motor batteries. The 86 got a lot of power, so I'm gonna give me another onboard charger. If I knew I was gonna do that, I would have got a 3 bank, but you know how it is. It's just one thing, it's another one. So I'm gonna get back with y'all. I'm gonna run these wires and make them water resistant and everything, and I'll get back with y'all. Thank you. I'm shrinking this up. I already compressed it. What I'm gonna do, I get that other part slipped on there, then I'm gonna put that over it, make it watertight, both ends. This is my power cord to my unit, 106. I'll get back with y'all, stay tuned. Yo, what's up, YouTube? I finally got my monitor, 106 mounted on my console. Put on my yak power system monitor. I got power. ready. So all we gotta do is get on the water. So I'm done with that project. Put the yak power system off. I think I'm gonna give me some bungee cords, some rolling with that on. Don't touch that. But now I'm working on my lights. I done ran power to my lights back here. My running lights. I cut them on. That's my lights, safety lights. But I got my lights. I haven't hooked the power to them yet. I got the power running to them, but I haven't connected them. I'll show y'all what I'm doing. I ran one side. You can see that? That's the light right there. Ran it down the side. I cleaned that up under real good. I got power deal. I'm gonna run it through this conduit right here, under there to the other side, and I'm gonna run these on this side and connect it. I already got power right here. This is my power. So I'm almost done. I already cleaned up under there. I'm running all the way up to the front up here. You can see I got that one right there. That's where it ends. You can cut where it ends. I've been out here all day, man. It was raining, stopped. But next week, my 8610 will be in. I'm a month there with the loud scope up here in front. So we'll be back rolling. I'll get back with you so we can hook these lights up. We're gonna hook these lights up and see what we got. I'll be right back. Stay tuned. Running them lights. I already cleaned all that down and run it. Running it down. Run this lip. That's what I'm doing. Stay tuned, I'm almost done. Yo YouTube, we're gonna call it a night, man. I finished my lights. And I got, I moved a 106 to the front. And everything looked pretty good, man. So next, I'm waiting on that 86 to come in, and we're gonna wrap it up. We'll be done. I'm gonna cut my lights on where y'all can see them. Look good, man. And cut this light off for you. Get a good look. Oh yeah. She lit up, man. She lit up nice. Oh yeah. That old country boy did an alright job. She ready? Hey man, I appreciate y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel, man. I'm trying to grow my channel, and I'm gonna get back on this water and try to get some footage, but I appreciate y'all. Thumbs up, whatever you give me, I'm gonna be blessed with it. I'll catch y'all on that water. Country boy, I'm out. Peace.